Hi, in front of me is WIKO View Go, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into menu. Now find File Manager and click on it. Then you need to select File in the middle over here and tap on Junk Files. Now we wait. Click on Agree and Start. Choose Allow. And click on One-Click Cleaning over here. As you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!